Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the Unconventional Attorney. Today I want to talk about whether or not your law firm can do a Black Friday deal. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you are not subscribed to the world's greatest law firm owner newsletter of all time, and probably the only place where you're going to be able to hear about my amazing, wonderful Black Friday deal, then go to unconventionalnewsletter.com. Every week I send you some goodness. Can't get it anywhere else. It's amazing. Unconventionalnewsletter.com. Okay, Black Friday deals in law firms. Can you do a Black Friday deal as a law firm? Of course you can. It takes a little bit of creativity, a little bit of work, but it is 100% possible. Now, here's what I would do. If I were you for a Black Friday deal, actually maybe doing this for my own firm. It just depends on if I have enough time to put it together, quite frankly, because business has been wonderful so far this whole year. But here's how I would do the Black Friday deal. And what I may do is just do this next year because it's 3 days before Black Friday, and everybody's stopping working. But if you need some cash, by the way, if you need an influx of new clients and you have been having conversations with people, this will work 100%. All right, here's what I would do. I would go back and I would look at like the last 90 days of potential client meetings that you've had. And I would find all of those people that you talked to that were not definite no's. Okay, so some people may have just told you like I found somebody else, or it's not a good fit, or it doesn't sound like the right thing right now. Those people you don't want to include. I would also take everybody that's already signed up and don't include those people. And I would just create a list of potential clients that you talked to that either said they were interested, they were thinking about it, they wanted to sign up, but they didn't sign up yet, okay? For the last 90 days, make a list of all those people. Maybe it's 10 people, maybe it's 50 people, maybe it's 100 people, depending on how many people you talk to. It doesn't really matter how big the list is. You just want to make a list of all of those people. And then what you're going to do is, I would send out an email anytime. You can start it right now, because Black Friday doesn't have to wait until Black Friday to be Black Friday. These deals start all the time. And I would email that list and I would say, hey, look, I'll put Black Friday legal services deal in the title. That would be the subject line. And I would say, hey, whatever their name is, you and I spoke within the last 90 days about providing you with some legal services. For whatever reason, you haven't decided to pull the trigger yet. I wanted to give you one extra reason for saying yes and doing the thing that you know you need to do right now by offering you this tremendous Black Friday deal. And what I would do is I would basically just offer them a good deal, 25% off or something, make up a number, right? 25% off the service if you sign up by Sunday, right? And that means cash in hand or whatever, however you want to define that. I would say if you sign up by this time, you can have this deal, right? And you may be thinking to yourself, oh, well, I don't want to discount my services. I'm better than that. Look, 75% of something is better than 100% of nothing. All right. Chances are a lot of these people, if they haven't followed back up with you or circled back around in the last 90 days, they were either going to move on to somebody else, they forgot about it, they lost motivation, whatever it is. This gives you urgency. It gives you anticipation, right? It gives them a deal. It gives them many, many different reasons to pull the trigger and work with you. So send that out today, then send out another one tomorrow, then send another one out every day. And then on Saturday and Sunday, probably send out 2 and just give a reminder, this is what we're doing. If you're up for it, let me know. And then you just have to sort of check up and be ready to send out fee agreements or do whatever you need to do to do that final step. But that's how I would do a Black Friday deal. If it were me, I guarantee you would get at least one client, and one is better than none. And it won't take you that long. Here's the beauty. As you write these emails, save the emails that you write. Save the sequence, and guess what? Next Black Friday, you do the whole thing all over again. And so what may be a slow time for you right now, as people get into the holidays and blah, 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 whatever story you tell yourself why it's slow, it's not slow. You're just, by the way, this is a totally separate mindset thing. It's not slow. There are people out there signing people up all the time. I'm one of them. You could be one of them if you just decided that you wanted to be that person. But if there's a slow time for you, this is a easy way to make it a good time for you. And once you do this process once you set up the email sequences once, you can just use those same emails again and again and again. So next year at this time, you just roll the same emails out, right? Because it'll be a different set of people that haven't signed up with you in the last 90 days, and then you win. All right, so Black Friday deals are possible. It takes a little bit of work one time, and the reward, though, is 100% worth it. All right, okay, that's it. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. If you know someone needs to hear this, please share it with them. And if you have not gotten my book, by the way, it's $1 right now. 13 things successful law firm owners don't do. It's $1. You can get it at unconventionalattorneybook.com. If you have not taken advantage of that, what are you doing? It's only $1 and it's amazing. I promise. Unconventionalattorneybook.com. All right, that is it. As always, I am Christopher Small. I am the Unconventional Attorney. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon. See ya.